We'll guide you through how to change background in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender and launch the project where you want to change the background. Look at the top right corner of the Blender interface and switch to the Layout workspace if it is not already active. Decide first whether you want to change the viewport background or the rendered world background, because the steps are slightly different for each option. To change the rendered background, move to the Properties panel located on the right side of the screen. Click the World Properties tab, identified by the small globe icon. In the Surface section, locate the Color setting under Background and click the color bar to open the color picker window. Choose a new background color by adjusting the hue, saturation, and value sliders until you get the appearance you want. You can also move the strength slider to make the background lighting appear brighter or darker in the scene. Press the Z key on your keyboard and switch to Rendered View so you can preview the updated background in real time. If you prefer to use an image instead of a solid color, click the yellow dot next to the color setting and select Environment Texture from the menu that appears. Press Open and browse your computer for an HDRI or another image file that you want to use as the background. Select the image and confirm the import so it loads into the world background settings. To rotate the HDRI background, open the shader editor and switch it to world mode. Press Shift and A to add a mapping node and a texture coordinate node. Connect the nodes correctly so the HDRI can be controlled through the mapping node settings. Adjust the rotation value on the Z-axis inside the mapping node to reposition the background image around the scene. If you only want to change the viewport background color, open the Edit menu and select Preferences. Go to the Themes section and modify the 3D viewport background colors to your liking. Close the Preferences window after finishing your adjustments. Finally, save your Blender project by pressing Ctrl and S so all background settings remain applied. This process allows you to customize both the working viewport and the final rendered environment to better match the style of your project visually.